Hi, my name is Sandi Jerome, and I'm a writer of young adult and middle grade fiction, but I'm also a gardener. In this video, we're going to talk about my favorite plant, longevity spinach, the benefits of it, and how to harvest it and eat it.
To harvest longevity spinach, I put about 2 gallons of water in a bucket along with apple cider vinegar. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant. I pick a stem and make sure the leaves look healthy and strip them into my bucket. I pinch off the new bud. I don't mind getting a few stems because I'm going to be dehydrating these. I rinse the leaves in the bucket and then put the leaves in my dehydrator air fryer pot, leaving out in the sun for 4 to 6 hours to dry. I put them into dehydrator, setting the time depending on how dry they are and how full my pot is, typically between 4 to 6 hours. You can also dry these outside, but I live in Florida that has high humidity, bugs, and afternoon thunderstorms. After the leaves are dry, I put them in my blender to pulverize them down to a powder to use to make a tea or put them in capsules for my husband to take. He doesn't like the taste of longevity spinach, but likes the benefit. I like the taste and use it as any greens, in salads, sandwiches, and even cook in my vegan omelets made with just egg. Every morning I drink 1 tablespoon as a tea with a few drops of coconut stevia. I order these capsules on Amazon. You pull them apart, scoop up the powder, and then put the capsules back together again. The benefits are that it helps to lower blood sugar, aids in the treatment of diabetes, reduces blood pressure and cholesterol, and aids in weight loss and protects against cancer. Please don't think of this as medical advice, and I've put a link to the studies compiled by the NIH below. It has worked for us. We both lost a lot of weight, lower our cholesterol, and I no longer get that weak, shaky feeling between meals. I first learned about longevity spinach when I read a book by David the Good, one of my favorite bloggers, called Totally Crazy Easy Florida Gardening. I put a link to his books and YouTube channel below. It's a beautiful plant. After reading the book, then I started planting any type of Florida-friendly food plants recommended by David the Good. I bought a few longevity cuttings on Etsy and planted them around my yard. Thank you for watching. Please spread the plant. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. There is also a link below to subscribe to my free quarterly newsletter.